In this video, we will look at the usage of with security enforced clause in SOQL SELECT queries in Apex code. This clause is effective even in subqueries and cross-object relationships. Before I start, I would like to thank Farah Sharif who gave the permission to use the content from her blog to make this video. If you would like to read her blog or listen to her podcast, you will find links in the description below. Now, Apex generally runs in the system context. The current user's permissions and field level security is generally not taken into account during code execution. This means if you include a field or object in your query that the user does not have access to, the field can still be updated using the code. So we use the with security enforced in the SOQL query to throw an exception if there are any fields or objects in the query that the context user doesn't have access to. Now, with or without sharing rules is another clause that you can use on the class, but that is different from the concept we are discussing here. When you use the with sharing keyword in your class, and for example, you display a list of contacts, then only the records that the user has access to are displayed. To bypass the sharing rules, the class must be declared with the without sharing keyword in order to ensure that sharing rules are not enforced. Let us look at an example of Apex code using with security enforced. In this example, I'm using a custom controller in Visualforce that fetches the first 5 accounts with the 3 columns displayed. We have a button that updates the website field of the first account that was returned. You can look at the code for the Visualforce page and the controller class in the link of the blog that I mentioned before. Now let us look at the permission levels for a dummy user that I have created. If we look into the profile of this dummy user, and if we look at the field level security for the account object, we can see on the website field, the user does not have visibility. So let's log in as this dummy user. You can see now we are logged in as the dummy user. So if we go to the Visualforce page now, we can see that the website column is not visible because this user does not have access to view or edit that field. However, if I click on the update website button, if we look at the code, it's going to update the website with the value updatedwebsite.com. So let's click on this button and see what happens. Let's log out as the dummy user. We're back in the system admin login. And now if we look at the Visualforce page, we can see we were actually able to update this field even when we were logged in as a dummy user who did not have access to read or edit this website. That's because the Apex code behind this button runs in the system context and ignores the field level security set for that user. So let's update the code and put the clause with security enforced in the select SOQL query. Now remember to use the with security enforced clause after the from clause, or if there is a where clause after the where clause, but before any ordering or filtering clauses. Here we can see a better structured query: select field names from account, where website, with security enforced, and then the ordering or filtering clauses have to be used. Let's save that, close the developer window, log in again as the dummy user. So now when we open the Visualforce page as the dummy user, an exception is thrown, which indicates that an inaccessible field that has been queried. So this way we were able to achieve the object and field level security in our Visualforce pages.